Hello and welcome to Aquarium Academy. Now in this class, we are going to understand how we are going to calculate national income that was being asked in your previous question paper of ISC. Okay, so now the question is given to you, students. Whenever the question is given, read the question properly and understand what is being asked to calculate. Now here the question is given from the following data: calculate GNPFC, NDPFC and national income. Okay, which method we have to use, they have not mentioned over here. So how you're going to decide what method you're going to use? So look at the item of particulars given to you. So in this particular, you can see maximum of the components of expenditure is given to you. Yes, wages and salary is given, but only one component of income method of that is wages and salary is given. So you can ignore this, whereas the other of expenditure methods is given. So obviously we are going to go with expenditure method. So let us quickly look at the solution of this question. Now what method we are going to use? We are going to use expenditure method. Okay. Now as we know, when we use expenditure method, we first calculate GDP MP. Okay. Now what are the components of GDP MP? Private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure, which has also been given to us. Okay, so here once again, private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic fixed capital is given to you. Gross domestic fixed capital is given to you. So plus gross domestic fixed capital formation. When fixed capital is given, that means you have to add change in stock. Now, directly change in stock is not given to you. What is given? Closing stock and opening stock. So what is the formula for change in stock? That is closing stock minus opening stock. With the help of this, we can calculate change in stock. Okay. Plus net export has been given to you. So plus net exports. Now let us quickly substitute the values given to us. Now private final consumption expenditure is 950 plus government final consumption expenditure, that is 410, plus gross domestic fixed capital formation is 370, plus change in stock, that is closing stock minus opening stock, 300 minus 150, plus net exports is given to net exports, that is minus 50. So minus 50, do not ignore the sign. So after calculating all this, we are going to get answer for GDP MP is 1830. Okay, that is rupees 1830 crore. This is nothing but GDP MP. Okay, now let us see how we can calculate NDP. We can calculate easily now NDP with the help of GDP MP. Okay, so NDP, that is also known as NDPFC, is also known as domestic income. We can calculate with the help of GDP MP. Okay, now you have to calculate net with the help of gross. So what you're going to do? You're going to subtract depreciation. Domestic and product is same, so nothing to do. Now market price to factor cost, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract NIT. Okay, now the value for GDP NP is given to us. We have calculated it as 1830 minus depreciation. Now what is the depreciation given over here? That is consumption of fixed capital 20. So minus 20 minus NIT. Now NIT directly it is not given. So the formula for NIT is IT minus subsidy. Now what is IT over here? That is 180 minus subsidy, that is 80. So 180 minus 80. So after calculating all this, let us quickly see what will be the answer. NDP-FC will be equals to 1710 rupees in crore. Rupees in crore. Okay. Why crore? Because all the values over here of rupees has been given in crore. So you have to write the units properly. Okay. Okay, students. Now let us further calculate. Now we are done with NDP. Now we have to calculate GNP-FC and national income. Okay, so we need to calculate GNP-FC. So with the help of, before calculating GNP, let us calculate NNP-FC first. NNP-FC with the help of NDP-FC. This will go a little bit faster. So N and N is same. Only for national we have to add NFIA to domestic so that we can get national. Rest everything is same, so nothing to do with it. Now the value for NDP-FC was 1710 plus NFIA. Let us quickly see what is NFIA was given to us. NFIA was minus 40. Okay, so we'll substitute the value over here. That is minus 40. Okay, so the total will be rupees 1670 in crore. That is NNP-FC, nothing but our national income. Now we'll proceed to the next aggregate they've asked us to calculate, that is GNP-FC. Now with the help of NNP-FC, we can calculate GNP. Let us see. Now from net, we have to go to gross. So you have to add depreciation over here. Rest other things all are same. NPFC, NPFC. So nothing to do much over here. So what's the value of NNPFC given to us? That is 1670 plus depreciation. What is the depreciation given to us over here? Depreciation with the name consumption of fixed capital, that was 20. So let us quickly substitute the value over here, that is plus 20. So the value for GNPFC is 1690 rupees in crore. Rupees in crore. So this is how we are going to calculate the practical sums that have been given to you in the question.